First of all, we're gonna remove the laces. This is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need a drill. You're gonna need... Okay, so quick update. I'm now using this tool called a step drill. I don't use multiple drill bits anymore. I literally use this one. I don't know if you can see. Let me try to focus it. Alright, so that's not going to focus, but there's basically numbers going up. It starts from 3 all the way to number 12. This is what I now use. It makes drilling the holes so much easier. I'm going to show you in one of my next videos how this works. So I'm going to be using it. I'll link it below if any of you want to buy it. And back to the video. This is probably the most difficult hole to do on here because obviously you don't want to drill into the tongue. But pretty much pull that as far forward as you can and aim the drill in that way to avoid hitting this. But I mean, even if you do hit this slightly, it's not the biggest deal because the laces are going to go back over anyway.
There's nothing here you can fix. The money couldn't resist. Said go let it play. I'm back here in some.
Alright, so now we're moving on to the rope. This is pretty self-explanatory. You just put them through the holes and drag them through. Obviously, if they're more difficult going in, give them a twist them around. With the tape on the ends, it'll make it a lot easier for them to go through.
Ice on me, looking like the North Pole. Now I'm ready for the weekend. Up, no sleep, aiming for the 3P. Oh, this is my season. She loving my stilo, she in love with the kid. She don't wanna just be friends. Go hard or go home, don't get lost in the source, or you drown in the deep end.
Lastly, I'm just gonna add on a masking tape to the ends of the rope just to give it that final clean look. And then I'm gonna cut the clear tape that was originally on it just so it looks a lot cleaner.
My season. She loving my stilo, she in love with the kid. She don't wanna just be friends. Go hard or go home, don't get lost in the source, or drown in the deep end. Ice on me, looking like the North Pole. Now I'm ready for the weekend. Up, no sleep, aiming for the 3P. Oh, this is my season. She loving my stilo, she in love with the kid. She don't wanna just be friends. Go hard or go home, don't get lost in the source, or you drown in the deep end.
Avec un son les lights, tu verras dans ce qui passe.